Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. Now we will look how to set the default constraint in the front end. SQL Server database allow default constraint for columns. When the value is missing in the first insert, the column will contain this default value. So we can set default constraint in SQL Server backend. In ADO.NET, we can use the default value property to mimic the same. In our example, we will set USA as a default country for the publisher table. Right? That means we are going to use the default value property for the country column of the publisher table. Right? Here we just shown the employees table. So here it is a wrong screenshot. We will use the publisher table and we will set the default country. Let's go to the demo. All right. This is a BTN default click, and here if you see, we access our publisher table and the column what we are accessing is country, and we set default value as USA. Let's rebuild this solution and run it. Okay. So here, if you see, I'm not setting the not null and not setting the length restriction. Let's say directly explore the set default. Right. Whenever I create new column, you can see the country is defaulted to USA. So you can define a new publisher, pub A, publisher B, and if you want to change the country, you can double click and change it. Right. So that's the use of set default. And if you see here, we used default value property of your column and we set default value. Right. USA is the default value. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.